Hi guys! Tuturo ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano natin gagawin yung completing the square. Yung completing the square is ginagamit ito sa quadratic equation para makuha natin yung value ng x. Ngayon, yung first step nito is gagawin natin yung standard form ng quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 sa ganitong form. X squared plus bx is equal to c. Yan. So, anong unang natin gagawin? Dito may example ako na 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. Ito yung standard equation ng quadratic equation. Ito pala yung standard form ng quadratic equation. So, yung una nating gagawin is kailangan nating tanggalin yung 2 dito sa x, sa 2x squared. So, yung gagawin natin is to divide both sides by 2. At yung resulting equation natin is x squared plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4x, negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, which is equal to 0 divided by 2 is 0. Ngayon, yung kailangan naman natin gagawin is lilipat natin yung negative 5 sa kabilang side. Yan. So, yung gagawin natin dito sa x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Magdadagdag tayo ng 5 sa both sides ng equation para matanggal natin yung negative 5 dito. So, x squared plus 4x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 5. Tapos yung result nito is x squared plus 4x. So yung negative 5 at yung plus 5 is 0, no? So makakancel yung dalawang 5, which is equal to 5. As you can see, yung form ng equation natin ngayon is katulad siya ng x squared plus bx is equal to c, which is yung 4 is yung b natin at yung 5 yung c natin. For the next step, ngayon meron na tayong equation na x squared plus 4x is equal to 5. Yung gagawin natin dito is kailangan natin gagawin yung left side ng equation into perfect square. So, paano natin yan gagawin? Kung maaalala nyo na yung equation natin is ganitong form, x squared plus bx is equal to c. Okay? Yung gagawin natin is di-divide natin yung b, tas isi-square natin at i-add natin sa both side ng equation. Sounds complicated, pero ganito yon. Okay? So, kunin natin yung b, divide natin ng 2, tas isi-square natin yan. Tas i-add natin sa both side ng equation. So, ano ba yung b natin? Di ba yung b natin is equal to 4? Okay? So, ano yung b over 2 squared natin? Which, yun ay 4 divided by 2 squared, which is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Ayan. Ngayon yung gagawin natin is i-add natin yung 4 sa both sides ng equation. Usog ko lang yung papel Ayan. So, meron tayong x squared plus 4x. Idadagdag natin ngayon yung 4 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4. Ngayon yung resulting equation natin is x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 9. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung left side ng equation natin is a perfect square trinomial. Yung gagawin natin dito is gagawin natin yung perfect square trinomial into a binomial. So, paano yan gagawin? So, paano nga ba yan gagawin? Naaalala nyo ba kung ano yung b natin? Di ba yung b natin is equal to 4? Yan. Ngayon, meron tayong b dito which is equal to 4. At kung maaalala nyo, yung b over 2 natin is equal to 2. Kasi pag gusto nyo gagawin tong binomial, yung perfect square trinomial, is ganito yung form niya. X plus b over 2 squared. Ito yung binomial ng perfect square trinomial na to. Okay. Tapos, ilalagay lang natin, isa-substitute lang natin yung values dito sa equation na to. At yun na yung binomial natin. So, x plus yung b2 natin which is 2 quantity squared is equal to 9. Yung next natin na gagawin dito is isosolve natin kung ano yung x. Okay? We have this equation na x plus 2 squared is equal to 9. Ano yung gagawin natin dito? Unang-una is kukunin natin yung square root ng both sides ng equation. So, square root of quantity x plus 2 squared is equal to square root of 9. Kita natin dito na yung square root ng squared is kung ano yung nasa loob. So, parang magka-cancel lang yung ganito. Yan. So, meron tayong x plus 2 is equal to, ano ba yung square root ng 9? Alam natin na pag square root yan, meron yung dalawang roots. Meron tayong positive root at negative root. So, yung answer dito is positive negative 3. Bakit? Kasi pag positive 3 times positive 3 is equal to 9. Ganon din sa negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to 9 din. Kaya dalawa yung root ng ng 9. Okay. Ngayon, dahil meron tayong dalawang answer dito, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang linear equation, which is x plus 2 is equal to 3 at x plus 2 is equal to negative 3. Dahil meron tayong dalawang equation, meron din tayong dalawang x. Okay. So, meron tayong dalawang linear equation na yan, x plus 2 is equal to 3 and x plus 2 is equal to negative 3. So, isosolve natin yung x. Dito muna tayo sa x plus 2 is equal to negative 3. I mean, sa x plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. So, x plus 2, kailangan natin itong ilipat yung 2 dito sa kabila. So, minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2. Ngayon, makikita natin magka-cancel to. X is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Okay. So, x plus 2 is equal to negative 3. Okay. So, yung gagawin natin is, katulad din sa kanina, x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 3 minus 2. Para lang matanggal natin yung 2 dito at malipat sa kabila. Okay. So, x, ito magka-cancel to, is equal to negative 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5. So, ngayon, makikita nyo meron tayong dalawang x. So, yung sagot dito is x is equal to 1 and negative 5. Yan. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa checking. So, paano ba natin isi-check kung tama yung answer natin? Okay. Kung naaalala nyo, yung original equation natin is two x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. Yung gagawin natin is, substitute lang natin yung mga answers natin na 1 and negative 5 dito sa x, 1 by 1. So, uunahin natin yung x is equal to 1. Okay? Lagay ko lang dito ha. X is equal to 1 and negative 5. Ayan. So, substitute natin yung 1 sa lahat ng x dito. So, 2 times 1 squared plus 8 times 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. So, 1 squared is equal to 1. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 8 times 1 is equal to 8 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. To simplify further, 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, minus 10 is equal to 0, and 0 is equal to 0, ibig sabihin, tama na x is equal to 1 kasi nagsasatisfy siya sa equation natin. Yan. Paano naman yung negative 5, yung x is equal to negative 5. Ganun yung gagawin natin. Ganun din yung gagawin natin. Isa-substitute natin siya sa equation na 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, yung mangyayari is 2 times negative 5 squared. Aalahanin nyo, dapat nasa loob yung negative sign. Kasi, importante yon. Plus 8 times negative 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So, 2 times negative 5 squared. Ano ba yung negative 5 squared? Yung negative 5 squared is equal to 25 plus 8 times 8 times negative 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So, 2 times 25, 50 plus 8 times negative 5, which is negative 40. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Ngayon, isi-simplify pa rin. To simplify further, no, 50, kasi negative dito, so magiging minus siya dito paglabas ng parentheses, minus 40 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 50 minus 40 is 10. Minus 10 is equal to 0. So 10 minus 10 is 0, which is equal to 0. So tama yung equation natin. Ibig sabihin, tama yung x is equal to negative 5. So yung answer natin is x is equal to 1 and negative 5.